Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Tipalti identity verification for affiliate partner payouts step by step clearly. To verify your Tipalti identity for affiliate partner payouts, begin by logging into your Tipalti account. Navigate to the Profile section from the dashboard. Locate the Identity Verification area within your profile settings. Click on the Start Verification button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to choose a method of identification. Select either government-issued ID or another form of acceptable identification. If you choose a government-issued ID, ensure it is current and valid. Upload a clear image of your ID for verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture any additional necessary documents. Next, provide your personal information as requested, including your full name, address, and date of birth. Double-check all entered information for accuracy before proceeding. Submit your documents for review by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your verification is in process. Check your email for updates regarding the status of your identity verification. If additional information is required, respond promptly to those requests. Once your verification is complete, you will receive a notification. Log back into your Tipalti account to confirm that your verification status is updated. After successful verification, you can expect timely affiliate partner payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.